down in what do you call it, Yahoo. Had to drop off a couple of things, and I'm gonna head back home, but I figured I'd stop and do a little walking vlog here. I'm gonna walk up towards Mabiga. So let's go for the walk and enjoy. So for those of you who doesn't know, Mabiga is just north of Dao, and there's kind of a business stretch right here where you have a bunch of shops, like car shops, I think stainless steel. I see a lot of exhaust pipes made over there, so I guess they're custom making exhaust for motorcycles and other things, and cycle parts, all kinds of stuff. Motor parts, Antonio store, and G&M motor parts over there, and we're walking up this way for now. See, I'm probably gonna try to cross the street here. Streets are busy. It's unbelievable. So maybe the guys are coming back, and there we got a friendly officer helping me across the street. So that's cool. Okay, my friend. All right, thank you very much. Yeah, they're friendly. They have a little hangout here. They're hanging out. They're hanging at this walk pass over the streets, and that's where they hang out all day long. All right, so he is going to back in here, coming in with some concrete blocks, it looks like. Rivera's lumber. All right, we go again. There is several places here with, yeah, small little stores. People are doing that. There you got a dental clinic. In the corner here you got a little Japanese restaurant. That sounds kind of interesting. 4 pieces, 45 pesos. Takoyaki. Sounds like it's yucky, but I don't think they mean that. And a little bit of everything right in there in the corner. Looks like a nice dressed up place. Lumbers. Custom made doors, wood doors actually, it looks like. Fabrication. That's one thing with Filipinos. They really work hard on getting these things done. Very innovative. That's what I would say. All right, some fruit stands here. And, there's a fairly new McDonald's right there. The orange building or brownish building behind the white building there is actually St. Raphael Medical Center, or whatever it's called. The nearest hospital here in Mabalacat, and the biggest one here in Mabalacat actually. So, and here you have a little Korean Zing Korean Grocery Express. It's quite a bit of stuff. I didn't even know was here. Eggies, an outlet store, foods, all kinds of stuff. And right there is the hospital, St. Raphael Foundation Medical Center. And this guy is moving, and it looks like he lost his tire here. Oh yeah. A flat tire. That's not fun when you get a tire flat and you have the truck loaded. So they have done a lot of improvements here. Number one, if you see the concrete right here, it's like 4 lanes now going in each direction, even though I don't think they use the far right one. There's too much parking and other things going on there. Don Pepe's Pizza, Padala, send money, receive money. And here's another builder supply store in here. Builder supply. Looks like they're selling paint, a little bit of everything. So and music all over the place. That is a Filipino thing for sure. Sometimes the guys are coming by, they stop by the Sari store right across from our apartment, and here you go, some vegetables. And they have these super speakers in so noisy I can barely hear myself. They super speakers, they're noisy, 200-300 watts. The house is shaking when they play it. And over here we got a South Star Drug, one of the larger drugstore chains, I would say, probably here in Philippines. And here you have another construction supply, concrete, metal sheeting, all kinds of stuff. So man, they cleaned this area up. Here was like 2 lanes and then dirt road here. It was impossible to walk or do anything, but now they have cleaned it up, and they just redid this entrance here too. That one, this one, right here, this corner, they've redone. Took them a couple of months, but now it's done, so it looks good. So we're gonna head on over here, try not to get hit, and we are through. There's another Soci tea, refreshing in every cup. There's a lot of these tea cup stores coming out all over the place. Sometimes I wonder how they make it, but apparently they do. So, and here we have one of the larger motorcycle outlets in Philippines as well. This is actually where I bought my Betsy motorcycle at the motor trade. So that's This is where I bought it, and they sell new. I think they sell some used too, trade-ins, whatever. And here you have another one, microbike. I've been looking at a couple of these, but when they sell them used, they're so worn out. It's just people hasn't treated them right. So if I buy something else, it will be another one, brand new. Because at least you know then what you get, and you have a year or two of warranty, and take care of it. Okay, on the other side of the street, right there, SM Hypermarket. That's a store we all go as foreigners, and they have a hypermarket in SM as well. So that's it. I'm gonna head up to Mabiga, and I think this is like Pelco 2, one of their Mabiga substations for electricity. They got it right here between Daho and Mabiga. So wellness center and animal care wellness center actually. So if you need to take your dog or cat or your animal somewhere, this is probably the way to go. General merchandise, aluminum supply. Looks like there's a lot of art in this window. Interesting. So we're gonna head up towards, if you see the overpass up there, on the other side of that is Mabiga. So I'm gonna walk up and in there a little bit, then I'll probably just jump on a jeepney and get home. Then you have vendors out here. They're selling drinks like mango drinks and all kinds of stuff. Vulcanizing, they call it. Vulcanizing. Nursery, kindergarten, medical mission, B&B Bank. Pokemon car wash. So they have a car wash here. And convenience stores. And a salon. Ladies haircut, ladies salon. It looks like, celebration center, diesel service, sportswear. Everybody's here having their peso business. And I think this road crossing the bridge up here, I think that is Esitex. That's what they call it, Esitex, I think. And that's it. So San Rafael Archangel Parish Church. Here we have some traffic build-ups. Sundays and other days when they have church here. A lot of people go to the church right across the street.